label says, this course teaches you financial modeling for project finance. We will cover some general facts about project finance, but the focus of this course is on your role as the financial analyst. You've got an important part to play because the investor's decisions are always made on your numbers. That's their bottom line. This course will teach you the hard, technical skills you'll need to provide this kind of analysis. We'll be taking an application-led approach, walking through an entire project finance model build in Excel. To make sure you can concentrate on creating and understanding each new model component, we'll be supplying you with pre-readied Excel templates each step of the way. These have all the formatting, labeling, and layout taken care of, following industry best practices expected from professionals. No two projects are alike, and to be a top analyst, you need understanding in order to model flexibly and intelligently. This applied work is backed up with just the right amount of theory you need to get the big picture. You're not here to waste your time. This course is designed to be targeted and efficient. That means we'll skip the basics. This is not for beginners, but it's not that hard either. There's nothing here a first-year banking analyst or even an accounting and finance graduate wouldn't be able to handle. In terms of Excel use, if you know how to build a basic three-statement model and how to use the index match function, then you're fine. A lot of care has been taken to give you a quality course that's clear, professional, and efficient. If it turns out the content isn't what you needed or you aren't satisfied for any reason whatsoever, I'm happy to stand by a no questions asked refund guarantee, which is available to you for up to 30 days from your purchase. That's the introduction out of the way. Feel free to look ahead to the first 3 lectures and the course syllabus if you want to get a better feel for the content. And if you've already signed up, let's move on ahead.